Welcome back to I Build It. I'm Jeremiah, and today we are going to be working on the best gaming PC that you can possibly build right now for 2024. In regards to that, I mean by using the best processor and the best graphics card that is out right at this particular moment. So we are actually going to be working with a 9800 X3D and a 4090 graphics card. So let's go through our quick little thing here of what we're going to be using, and then we'll get started on things. So we will start in the front by, of course, our processor, the 9800 X3D. To pair in with that, we've also got a set of Trident Z5 DDR5s. This is a 64 gig kit, so there's two 32 gigabyte sticks in here at 6,000 megahertz, so that's what we're going to be setting this setup for. Along with that, we are actually going to pair that with the ROG X870E-E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. This one just came out in December, so we're going to be pairing this up with that and using that. We've got a couple different hard drives that we were actually going to toss in for this customer here. We're going to be using the Samsung 990 EVO. This is a 2 terabyte. This is strictly just for storage of pictures and so on with that. We have a 1 terabyte Crucial T700 Pro. This is actually going to be holding our operating system on it, and both of these are Gen 5s. This one is a Gen 4. And then we're going to be using a T705 2 terabyte Gen 5 Crucial card, M.2 SSD, and this is going to be holding all the game specifications for it. Along with doing that, we're going to be pairing it up with an RM1000X Corsair power supply. Should be plenty to hold up for everything that customer's going to want to do. Also from Corsair, we're going to be using their Elite IQ H150 Elite LCD XT AIO for the GPU, or not for the GPU, but for the CPU, I'm sorry. Now for the GPU, we have the MSI Gaming Trio 4090. 24 gigabytes. This also does DSS3 and ray tracing, so there'll be plenty. This is the max that you can get right at this moment until 2025 at the beginning of next year. So along with that, we have the Montech King 95 Pro case. We did buy a vertical mount for that as well, and we've also got some different fans that we're going to change out the cooler fans on the Corsair AIO so it matches the King 95 Pro Air on that. So let's get started with tearing apart things. This is our King 95 Pro that we're going to be using. This actually has 6 ARGB fans already installed, 3 on the bottom, 2 on the side, and 1 in the rear. Wow, this thing is heavy. This has got some substance to it now. And it is. Okay. Fan going outward like so. See what I was doing. Place it first. Try to readjust our cover and see if that. Oh yeah. So this is now it. The King 95 Pro by Montech with an Asus motherboard, MSI 4090, and a 9800 X3D, all in here, running with 64 gigabytes of RAM. So now we're going to do a quick test to see if we get post here. So plug it in and we'll see what we get. And there we go. All right, guys, so we're going to make some adjustments to a couple other things on this system, but for right now, this is the completed unit. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care, guys. Thanks.